All right, mate. Let's look here. Yeah, QNT, bull flag on the daily. It's a tricky one, right? The longer the pattern, sometimes you have to kind of get weary in case you do get that dump down back into this sort of area right here. So that's the concern. At this point, you're getting a bearish engulfing candle. Now I know when price kind of popped here, there was this sort of bull flag in a way. So at the very least, you would have to see you would want to see some sort of a, well, I would say a break of this trend line, but it's not so easy to break this trend line. Slightly bearish action at the moment. So it's just a slight warning that this may not be ready. It might take more time. It's red on the 3-day, new 3-day in 2 days and 8 hours time. So it's red today. Is it going to flip green today or in the next 2 days and pump? Um, there's kind of a rounding element. Just got to keep an eye on that. Not that that's major or anything. You have rounding nature here, but what it did do is it rounded out into the yellow 9 EMA and then popped. The yellow 9 EMA is a long way from price here at this point still. Red on the weekly at this point, it's a weekly inside doji. So, what does that say? Well, it says you need to trade a new week, an inside weekly doji. It's a sign of either continuation or a reversal. Basically an inside bar is get ready, there's a move coming. So, if you start flipping green on the week, if you had a little small dip and flip green again, a bit like here, for example, maybe it can pop up. Maybe it can negate this red 3-day candle. So the 2 week is also on an inside bar. Is this really going to run in the next 7 days? It may actually just need this 2 week bar as a consolidation, just like it did here before you get the move up. That happens a lot. Two inside up pattern. I would probably suggest that this is the more likely scenario that QNT won't pop this week. Um, could I be wrong? Could I be wrong on that? Of course I could, but it just looks to me like this pattern needs a little bit more work. I know it's a little bit kind of long in the tooth now, but it might need a little bit of a flush down and then work its way back up before getting the real movement. So at the very least, I would trade a new weekly candle, but it's very possible that this needs an actual 2 week consolidation candle before getting the real move.